Salibonani, ibizo lami ngu-Privilege Nonhlanhla Mathema, aka Stufuza.
Hi guys, what's up? On the cam is Tshepo Nyati, in brackets Mashesha. Danko.
What's your favorite thing about being from Bulawayo?
Umgosi J. Umgosi.
Ovia, easy ndawa. Azukundluli.
Yo.
Bulawayo blues. Never. Angeke.
Bazokushaya usithi blues kuthiwa koBulawayo ndoda.
But izindaba on fire ntwana. Big.
Which spot in Bulawayo gives you instant peace?
Mina azingicabanga. Osamriwo.
Ha?
Yabona masohleli ku balcony lapha kuma VIP.
Wena uyakhona ukufika le ndoda.
Urelaxile. Ngale manje kule peace.
Kule peace.
Hayi peace. Inner peace.
Hayibo.
Uyangizwa.
Hayi mina
Ina. So wena manga siyo Samru prefer yipi?
Hayi mina ngifuna ukuya eSibayeni guys. Shout out to eSibayeni. Ziyawale. Lingangibuzi.
Uyimo kwaye ko Samru before wayobona. Before.
Hayi.
What's one thing Zimbabwean parents will never understand about Gen Z?
Where?
Uzahleka.
Ndoda ubona ngathi abazali abancanyweni ngathi. And I think fashion sense. Fashion sense yethu bathi twasigqoka ngendlela efani but we're trying to express ourselves uzaza manje ibhrugu elingaka
hayi wesiyazi abadala ba understand ini like more try ugqoka izinto ezibheki
right
yabo is like more shy t-shirt ebheki le trouser and then
bese bekubuza
no why ungayothungisa uthungise something uvala vale kube islim wathatha
yeah go on.
What's the most Gen Z thing you've done this week?
Yo mina ngenza i-dance challenge shem.
Yeah.
Ningangibuzi yona le engathi ilula yona le.
Isaka.
Sicela usitshengise isaka. Ubathathe wena.
Hayi
bashesha ke.
Hayi gone. Actually ngiyazama as practice makes perfect.
Angithi.
Definitely.
Hayibo.
What's one thing you wish more young people took seriously?
Yo. Asithatheni ama-workshop serious guys.
Ama-workshop, definitely.
Hayi, kumba ama-career guidance asiwathathi serious. Cause kulesikhathi lapho ukuthi nxa ubiziwe kumbe kulolutho olenzakalayo eluzothuthukisa impilo yakho uzazi umuntu athi kulani siyahola njengokudla khuluma nje yami
umuntu only 2 minutes afikile kanti indoda sidla nini sidlani uqeda kufika
uyazi
awula le hour ngoba umuntu andivele basinika malini khona
yazi impatient shame hayi
what's that youth po youth.
If you woke up with data, Zesa and peace of mind, what's the first thing you're doing?
TikTok
Hayi man
yini
Insta bro
hayibo
yazi monga ngena ku Insta yazi no Insta is okay, it's kind of fun but ulandele lama artist ubone ukuthi what's going on kwenzakalani uba updated
indaba ngathi wena ufuna ukulandela uScott Maphuma wena
njengamanje phela uMaphuma bekabotshiwe eMozambique
right ungitshela
follow up yonke into Insta njengoba kunjalo la live uyabona ukuthi so
on point ngibheja ngeTikTok guys umgosi ku TikTok angeke
izindaba
izigigaba.
What's the biggest misconception people have about this generation?
All right. Siyakhala ke manje. Mina honestly I think abantu basithathela phansi when it comes to ukuthi siyacabanga our intellectual capacity. Gaya ndoda bathi thina indlela zethu azikho sharp like asidinga ukuboniswa kodwa in that chaos kumbe in that riffraff abathi siyayenza sichona siyenza amabanga and esichona sibuya namahwiphi amaningi so kumele bengasithatheli phansi.
Which bangers have this generation brought?
Oh zinengi number 1 kuthiwa singamaphara kanjalo kumbe singayenza into ezinjalo kulabantu abalama media house kodwa bengama youth kulabantu aba-advocatela amanye ama youth kodwa kuthiwa indlela abagqoka ngakhona ayitshengiseli ukuthi bangama youth kunabantu abangama influencer kodwa belokho bengama Gen Z and bayenza kahle and labadala bacina sebeba acknowledge.
Take them serious.
So it's bang after bang.
Ama bang after ama bang.
Shout out one young person from Bulawayo doing great things.
Ubani Mashesha?
Name ngicabanga vele uyahlanya.
Ubani face?
Angeke ngithi wenza into great and angeke ngithi mncane something like that. Uyabona talent?
Yeah.
Hayi yabona uGayi loyana. Hayi. yazi umthola gijimisa isidudla eBC lapha isidudla silona kuyehla ama steps uyambona usisebenza athwele nzima ngathi ngicheck emuva
Yeah.
nangu uyeza
Hayibo. So uthutha le nto yenza great.
uyachaza nje entertainment yakhe
I'm gonna shout out to myself, shame guys. I'm
Okay.
shout out to Stufuza. Yeah, ngi-embodiment yomuntu ofani.
Wow.
Abantu abangazi kangako but
Okay.
ngiyeza ngiyaphusha ngiyaphanda noma Stella Sibanda ngoba ngiyazi ngiyaliganda one way or the other.
wow danko
Danko Ntwana.
danko yazi ngichazile one way or the other
Angithi,
Danko.
awuyazi.
wow yabo le ayi
Iyona.
ngithatha ngibhala ama notes
Bhala ama notes.
ama notes angiyekeli
Bhala ama notes.
danko mntwana
So from Stufuza guys, hayi nisale kahle kodwa likhumbule self confidence.
From aka Mashesha, do what you do, I'll do what I do best. Ungasikhangeleli phansi, wherever you are. Be confident. Danko.
Danko.
Hi everybody, my name is Letogo Limpofu. I'm a spoken word poet and pretty much that's it, I think.
Yeah, what's up, everybody? My name is Shelton Taboswanda. I'm a model. Yeah, for now.
Talent only.
What's your favorite thing about being from Bulawayo?
I love the traffic. Like compared to Harare, guys, I prefer the traffic in the peace. The city is just calm.
So what I love about Bulawayo is the thrift shopping, like Kokotam. Yeah, that's where I get a lot of my nice, is that like track pants or shirts or shoes? See.
Do you know, for some reason, I want to ask you, are you not worried about the bed bugs outbreak? It's so Bulawayo now because, hey.
Well, that's one thing to note like right now, but
It's a corner, like it says a corner, so would you not be worried? I'm worried. Like,
if I was in a Chisaya.
Which Bulawayo spot gives you instant peace?
I think I can say for now it's Alliance Francaise because all of the shows are happening there. There's art shows, there's emotional alchemy stuff and exhibitions. So I think it gives me peace. I'm a different person, but
For me, it's the popular hillside dams. You know, just the quiet, like the
you're a nature person.
yeah.
Amazing.
What's one thing Zimbabwean parents will never understand about Gen Zs?
I can say this with confidence. They will never understand how we are always in a low mood or not feeling like doing a certain thing. Like I personally don't always feel like doing dishes. I don't. They'll never understand the mentality that we had and the dynamics of facing a high energy. Then the next moment you're just low, you're disappointed, you're sad, you're crying. They'll never understand that.
Yeah, I think for me, the one thing that they never understand is that like we are risk takers. Like,
Yeah.
like I'm so keen on taking the risk, like, and put it like on my all, whether it's
All the eggs in one basket.
It's not school related or it's work related, or I'll just take the biggest risk that I could take. They never understand that, like going out fully on taking risks.
They want something that is on paper, like step
Yeah.
by step, and we are just scattered.
What's the most Gen Z thing you've done this week?
This week, I slept out. Confession.
Well, so they're supposed to go by, but
Don't.
so one thing I did a TikTok video and I posted on my TikTok. The followers and the likes.
What song would you play every time you walk into a room?
I'm a diva. I don't know. I think it's Miley. Is it Miley? I'm a diva. It's always Beyonce. Yeah, I would play that one and catwalk to the room, especially when there's people on. I want all eyes on me.
I'm a gospel song person, and
I feel judged. I feel judged. I feel judged.
So one of the songs, I'm pretty sure Vele Aligwas. So, but one of the songs that I'll play when I get into the room, it's like Liaba Sebenzela by Xoli. Go check out the song.
I so much want to grill you, but
It's fine.
okay.
I know it's fine.
Okay.
You wake up with data, data, and peace of mind. What's the first thing you're doing?
What's the first
I go
thing?
to my socials like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok to check like for the videos that I posted.
Hi, well, you guys don't have a
to
life,
check whether
shame.
I got the followers, the likes, and the comments.
First thing in the morning, I go
Yeah.
back to sleep. If I'm peaceful, nothing, I go back to sleep.
Wow.
I go back to sleep for another 30 minutes or so. Then I wake up and see the world. I need peace. I woke up without stresses, without a meeting I have to follow up for. I go back to sleep. No ways.
Just you have a life.
I'm not checking on someone else's life first.
What's one thing you wish more young people took seriously?
I would say young people would take their voices seriously or take themselves seriously. Like I think young people tend to say, for me to do something, I have to be old enough or to be qualified enough. But I would say you are already enough. So don't wait to be old enough or to be qualified. Choose your voice, whether it's voting or advocating for something or challenging like toxic
Stereotypes and all.
Yeah.
Okay. But I would add on to say, I wish they took seriously the opportunities that are already within their hands. We have the voice, we have the people doing the advocacy, we have the people that can stand up for us. We have business opportunities. There's a lot in the market.
True.
There's a lot. Instead of complaining about employment, about this and that, about the government not doing this and that, I wish we just took to our hands and did things for ourselves.
That's right.
It'll go so far, I think.
What's the biggest misconception people have about this generation?
That we're always depressed. Like, I am so done with the idea of which Gen Z are depressed. I am so done with that idea. That's a wrong misconception. I feel like we are people that feel a lot of things, that have seen a lot of changes in the world. We have seen how our parents lived, how the 90s lived, and how our generation is living. So we know a lot of things. We have seen the changes. We've seen pandemics.
True.
We have seen almost a world almost ending. We have seen the changes of the economy, Trump and other things. We have seen a lot of things to just be relaxed. So we are living our lives to the fullest. And we're not depressed. Of course, we'll feel a lot of things, disappointments here and there, but we are people who have seen the world.
Yeah, and also to Elton, I think they think like we're lazy, we want fast things. But I just think we don't like working hard, just want work easy.
Exactly. Like life
Like
is
why
too
work hard
precious.
when you
Life
can
is
work
too precious
easy?
for that.
You see? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, shout out one young person from Bulawayo doing great things.
Just one.
Just one.
Ha. One. Okay, I'll state for now. There is a lady by the name of Nomkhele Sisankomo. She is a very good friend of mine and also a poet. I'll say shout out to her. She's been strong. She's been persistent in her game, and shout out to you.
I'll also shout out to it's Onesimo. Like she did great in Miss Universe Zimbabwe.
Wow.
Like she was this close to being Miss Universe Zimbabwe. Shout out to you.
Someone watched this episode. What do you hope they feel or take away?
I hope you resonate with what I said about taking matters serious in our own hands as the youth. I hope it resonates with someone somehow. I hope someone understands it at least.
Yeah, you've got that voice. Use that voice. You are enough already. Don't wait any longer.
All right, so goodbye, everybody. Enjoy the episode and comment. Ask anything. Of course.
Ciao.
What's up, guys? This is your boy Hilary from Bulawayo.
Hi guys, my name is Persistence Nkomo Intombi yako Bulawayo.
What's your favorite thing about being from Bulawayo?
For mina indawo yakhona i-chilled, abantu abasharp, abachaza, abakholisa.
I-groove. I-groove every weekend njengawe.
Amadafini.
Which Bulawayo spot gives you instant peace?
Bulawayo, rest in peace. I think for mina BAC indalana i-chilled, as well as sports sakho, uzichillile abangani bakho.
Neqiniso I'm not an outdoor person nje. Ngikhaya right. I-sport esinginika instant peace.
What's one thing Zimbabwean parents will never understand about Gen Zs?
Gen Zs.
Ukuthi content creation is like ngingathi a career, like it gives you real money. I think they'll never understand that. They think you are making fun jokes nje kuma phones ethu.
Alright. Hayi, ngafuna uqamba amanga. Into zama-Gen Z angizazi kakhulu. Mina umuntu othanda into ezi-old school. But from engikwaziyo ama-Gen Z kuthiwa sithanda like ukukhwelisa kakhulu, don't focus entweni zesikolo. Yeah, ngikwazi.
What's the most Gen Z thing you've done this week?
This week ngihamba out labangani bami siyakholisa.
I attempted to start a self-care routine.
Right.
You wake up with data, Zesa, and peace of mind. What's the first thing you do?
TikTok in my bed.
Mina okusafaka music ngiplay through Spotify ngisijayele ngoma ngisikhwalise.
What song would you play every time you walk into a room?
Isaga.
Simple.
Saga la vu.
Mina ngishaya isplash Sponono. Sponono sami by Splash ingoma engayishaya every time. Oh. Uhlabela ngikwanisi but ithi mina angisafuni ukujola lezi lenda ngoba zingifakela stress.
What's one thing you wish more young people took seriously?
Education akumele bebe serious into zesikolo because senanzile ukuthi abantwana abaningi isikolo ngani these days abasithandi. So angazi ukuthi problem ingaphi. So kumele focus esikolo.
I think financial literacy, guys, we should be serious about that. It's important. Like, let's take it serious.
Mali.
What's the biggest misconception people have about this generation?
That we're lazy.
Lazy. Yeah, and futhi ukuthi we don't work hard. Bathi singamavila kakhulu but
Yeah.
singathina into abadala.
Shout out one young person from Bulawayo doing great things.
Shout out to Melinda, our site youth network coordinator. She's doing great, guys. Like, I'm inspired.
I'd like to shout out to umngani wami uHappy wenza ngama-arts performances.
Okay. If someone watched this episode, what do you hope they feel or take away from it?
Okay, I feel like ukuthi abantu bangabukela episode le bangathola ukuthi as ama-Gen Z we are focused and sile plan silapho siya khona.
Okunye futhi ukuthi you're not alone, guys. Sonke as ama youth, yes, we face challenges and stuff, but let's try hard to overcome it.
All right, guys, thank you for watching the episode and we will appreciate ukuthi lingabuyela isinike feedback lama comments. Siyabonga.
Bye. Don't forget to follow.